Welcome. On this channel, we share the freshest insights from the world of neural networks, hardware, and technology. Subscribe right now so you don't miss a thing. And if you need your own AI agent, reach out and I'll help you build one tailored to your needs. Today, we bring you an absolutely thrilling explainer. We are diving into a magical journey, exploring sovereign AI and the incredible speed of DFlash. We are running the mighty Qwen 3, a massive 8 billion parameter model. Normally, local generation feels like a painful burden. It runs so slowly, stepping just one word at a time, like a heavy stone being pushed up a hill. But today, we break those chains entirely. We are using a genuinely accessible model, freeing ourselves from massive cloud dependence forever. It is a true breath of fresh air. Think of standard generation like a heavy bear walking slowly through thick mud. It is powerful but very slow. To achieve our new magical speed, we use speculative decoding. Think of our big main model as wise Veles. Veles is incredibly smart, but he reads very slowly. So we introduce a drafter, acting like a swift-winged dog. This is Summeral, our fast speculator. Summeral guesses many words far ahead of Veles, and Veles simply checks them all in one pass. If the guess is right, we save massive amounts of time, while the output quality remains absolutely perfect. The master engineers at Red Hat forged an incredible tool. They created the mighty DFlash speculator. They trained this drafter model using a magical mixture of MACP and UltraChat data. Then they regenerated the responses using Qwen 3 itself. This means DFlash is a truly wise drafter. It knows the main model perfectly, anticipating its every thought before it even speaks. Standard draft models still work completely sequentially, where the second step strictly depends on the first. But DFlash replaces this old method with powerful block diffusion magic. The drafter looks deep inside the mind of the big model, seeing the hidden states of the neural network. Guided by deep intuition, DFlash proposes an entire block of text at the exact same time. There is no sequential dependency slowing the system down, and the cost does not grow as the block gets bigger. DFlash delivers an incredible 3x speedup. Section 1, the Cyber-Rus Forge, compiling VLLM. Let us step right into the forge. Cutting-edge code always demands a high toll, testing our patience and skill. The VLLM compilation took almost 4 hours. It felt as if a mythical Kikimora was trying to tangle our local dependencies, causing chaos in the forge. But we used the UV package manager, acting as a powerful cleansing spell to keep our environment perfectly clean. It untangles the mess, preparing our system for the deep magic ahead. The hardware spirits demand respect, along with a heavy sacrifice of memory. We run this setup on an RTX 6000 card with 48 GB of total VRAM available. In full precision, the VRAM consumption hits a massive 45 GB. This happens because VLLM reserves maximum context memory, allocating the KV cache for an enormous 16,000 tokens. But there is a magic number here, and that number is 16. By simply lowering the context limit, this exact setup fits beautifully on consumer 16 GB GPUs. You do not need a massive corporate server to unlock this power. You can run this sovereign AI magic right in your own home, completely free and untethered. Section 2, the thunder of Perun, striking the anvil. Now we strike the iron. The server awakens, and the results hit us like a sudden storm. A standard run would yield 40 tokens maximum per second, but our DFlash run achieved an astonishing 74.4 tokens per second. The server runs the large 8 billion model, but every single response is accelerated. Summeral proposes 7 tokens at every step, creating a truly thunderous performance. Beautiful, clean code pours out at lightning speed. The model thinks deeply, delivering over 1,000 tokens in a mere 14 seconds. It is a stunning display of harmony, blending local computing power and algorithmic brilliance into one perfect output. It feels like pure magic unfolding right before our eyes. We are entering a beautiful, sovereign digital future where the boundaries between hardware and human creativity simply fade away. You can build incredibly powerful tools right in your home, liberated by the true speed of DFlash. We no longer need massive corporate data lakes holding us back. By mastering these sovereign tools, we forge a beautiful world, completely free from external control. The magic is in your hands now. Discover the Cyber-Rus and support the Forge. Please subscribe to our updates and become channel sponsors so we can explore this deep magic together. Huge thanks for your support, because it breathes life into the project and helps us grow. Many more discoveries await us ahead in this new, liberated digital world. We cannot wait to see what sovereign tools you will forge next.